In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a domain from HostGator cPanel. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your HostGator cPanel account. This is the main dashboard that your hosting provider supplies, granting you access to all of the features needed to manage your domains and websites. Once you're logged in, you'll need to look for the section named either Add-on Domains or simply Domains. This section houses all the domains that are linked to your hosting account. Now within this area, you'll see a list of domains. Your task is to locate the domain you want to remove. This could be a domain you're no longer using, or one that you simply want to clean up from your hosting account. Once you've found the domain, you should see an option labeled Remove. Go ahead and click on Remove. Doing this will initiate the process of detaching the domain from your current hosting setup. It's important to understand that this step only unlinks the domain from your hosting account. It does not delete your domain registration with your domain registrar. Next, you'll want to clean up any files associated with this domain on your server to free up space. To do this, navigate your way to the File Manager. This tool is like a file explorer for the files that are hosted on your server. Once you're in the File Manager, you'll need to find the document root folder for the specific domain you just unlinked. The document root is essentially the main directory where all the files for that domain are stored. Take your time to carefully select the right document root folder. After confirming you're in the right place, go ahead and delete the website files and folders associated with the domain. This could include your HTML, CSS, images, and any other directories or files that you had previously uploaded. Removing these files ensures that you aren't using unnecessary storage on your server for a domain you're no longer using. Finally, this last step guarantees that all unwanted files are fully removed from your server. You'll want to empty the trash if your file manager moves files to a trash or recycle bin upon deletion. Some systems may require you to confirm a permanent deletion instead. Make sure to follow through with this step so that the file removal is complete and your hosting space is fully reclaimed. And there you have it. That's how you successfully remove a domain from HostGator cPanel and clean up your server space. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your hosting account, ensuring that it remains organized and clutter-free. If you found this video helpful,